how you can have the alerts on tweets on iPhone. So first thing first, let's open the tweets app, and once you open it, you will be able to see the interface on in the screen. So now you can see there is profile option at the bottom right corner of this homepage. So just tap on that profile icon, and once you tap on it, you will be able to see your profile page in here. So you can see there is settings option at the top left corner of this profile page. So just tap on that settings icon, and once you tap on it, you can see there is a notification option this time below of the preference. So just tap on the notifications afterward, and you simply need to enable the smart delivery, and you can also enable the selected option. You can see there is lots of option in here: channels you follow, social, marketing, and so on. So if you want to get alerts from these options, then simply tap on the specific one, and you can see there is the tons of options available. So you can simply enable everything, and you will be able to have a alert on Twitch successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to have the alert on Twitch on iPhone. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.